I see the light shining on the stage. This is what I imagine every day.
Today I will only have 4 classes, which means I'll start working at 2:40 and I'll finish at 5:30. Gangnam Style? Okay, let's go Gangnam Style. Alright, let's go. You have 3 minutes left. Yeah. It is currently 5 and I'm done for today. Right now I'm just going to have my lunch and then I have to wait until 5:30. Guys, I am finally outside and I'm off to Olive Young to get some few things.
That often we can see the beauty in the pain. Not often we can see the value that we gain. Now listen, little one, the wounds will heal in time. I know it weighs a ton, but baby,
ngiphethe ikhanda ngilokhu ngitesta ama perfume lapha ya. But I'm running out of perfumes and angazi ngizothenga maphi. Even the one I have ngawathengela umngani wami because I'm just not a perfume girly. I always have a perfume but I hardly buy it for myself. I don't know. Ukuthi ngizoyithenga yiphi. I am back home and I came back to a delivery. I have no idea. I was not expecting anything from anyone this week. So let's unbox together. It has my name on it. It has my name and my room number. I am not expecting anything from any brand or any clothes. Asivuleke ngoba ila kusho ukuthi yami. Let's open it. Ngiyazisa sengivula into zabantu Jehova. Okay. Kanjani? How? Guys, okay, this is from a brand, right? And I still have like I think 10 products that I haven't created any video about from the same brand, and then they just sent me another 5 products. Let me show you guys. Wait. Guys, I'm not lying to you. These are the products that I have with the same brand, and these like guys, look. What am I going to do with all these products? Oh my goodness. I am so spoiled. And angivumelekile ukuthi ngenza ama giveaway. Kodwa kube bengivumelekile bekumele guys sishare lezi zinto lezi. Sizobanjwa yini ukushare ngeZulu. Bekumele sihlukaniselane lezi zinto lezi bafethu ngeke. I'm in my spoiled skincare era. Okay guys, for today I'm just going to stop my vlog here, and right now I'm just going to make something to eat. I'm so hungry, and then I will take a shower, do my night skincare routine, and then we'll talk tomorrow. Okay, let me make something to eat. This is my go-to meal on days where I don't feel like cooking. I'm going to have tteokbokki, an egg, and I think this is a bulgogi with ramyun. But it tastes so good, and this is a new menu. It is called Special Tteokbokki. I love it so much. Right now I will have my dinner, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow when I go to Ulsan.
응급 상황이 발생하면 승무원에게 말씀하시거나
in the train. And be cautious about finger entrapment when using doors on the train. And please take extra care of your children. In case of emergency, use the emergency intercom.
Hey guys, I'm in Ulsan and I'm exhausted. I've been on the road for like 4 hours. When I get to the apartment, I will need to take a hot shower and nap for at least 2 hours, and then we'll go do what I like the most. We'll go shopping. We have a lot of things to wear on weekends when we're going on vacations or trips, but we don't have clothes to wear at work. So we're going to get some few items from, it's a plaza or a market, I don't know what the place is, but everything is so affordable and cheap there. If you live in Ulsan, I recommend the place. I don't remember the name, I'll put it on the screen. Ding. Okay, yeah, I'll talk to you guys after 4 hours. 안녕하세요.
Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why you messing my head up? Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is just saying yeah, 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 yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all that I crave, so I wonder, where are you? Where are you? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, where are you? Where are you? Don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know. Let me know when you're ready, cause I made reservations. Too many invitations, and the last night was heavy. I need communication. Tell me where's your location. Used to talk 24/7, every other second, just to make sure we were up to date. Now it's closer to 11, and I ain't hearing nothing. I just need to know that you're okay. Hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, where are you? Hey, don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know. Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is you saying yeah, yeah, yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all I crave, so I wonder, where are you? Baby, don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say,
I don't think I need anything here, babe.
just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know. 아주 우연히 듣게 된 그 노래
can't put this stuff.
숨죽여 들었어.
배봐서 I love you. 수고셔봐 말했어. 사랑해요, babe.
이젠 아무렇지 않다고 믿었던 나 너란 기억이 다